skills.
Hello, Papa Sar here. So recently Bajaj invited Papa and other motorcycle journalists and influencers to check out their updated NS400Z 2025. They gave us the motorcycle and said, "Jao, jo karna hai din bhar ke liye karo, jao." Insane updates we'll talk about in the motovlog. Therefore, this video is Papa's day out with Bajaj Pulsar NS400Z 2025.
Okay, instant first reaction of 2025 NS 400Z. Smooth, man. This engine is smooth. I'm going 80 and all. Buttery smooth. And fun. With all the upgrades to the internals, this is fun. Okay, quick shifter, downshift, nice. Brakes, nice. Okay, impressive. City. We are going to the highway for some open section. Oh, flexible. Nice. Great city bike. For now, I can say. Wow. Especially with its radial tires, it's just flicking around, man. There goes Paul. He's enjoying the bike. He's enjoying the bike. But with this new tire is nice. You know? Very flickable. Downshift, man, smooth, man. And at this price, this type of quick shifter is unheard of. But the quick shifter only works in sports mode. Only thing which I don't like right now, from what I'm seeing, is still the concern. But then इतना पैसे इसमें इतना ही मिलेगा, ज़्यादा नहीं रोने का. I'm just nitpicking here. Man is doing stoppies and all. So Paul is a proper journalist, not like Papa. Papa is not a journalist. Papa is gonna review it with emotions, with my prior experience. First impression, I'll say, in city right now, I'm loving it. I'm loving these mirrors, man. Pretty wide. I can easily see my GoPro is working a lot. So the updates that come in my mind right now are, पहले तो मेरा favorite update जो है, it's the radial tires. Previously it had bias tires, which was not good at all, man. Best part कि Bajaj listened to its customer base, listened to all these journalists and everyone, and they all pointed the same thing out, and they listened and they updated the motorcycle accordingly. Price change सिर्फ 8,000 का हुआ है. There have been a lot of internal changes on the engine side, but the power delivery overall is very nice, man, in sports mode. It's fun. I won't say as fun as a Duke 390. Okay, let's go to our guy. He's slowing down for Papa, because Papa is a little slow in traffic. Overall, actually, enough to stick around, not to lead. इतना है कि मैं बहकावा में नहीं आता हूँ, अपने ही लिमिट में रहता हूँ, जो भी हो जाए. Now, because of the engine internals and a lot of other changes, now it revs 1000 RPM more. Right? I think before it was 9300 RPM for Redline, if I'm not wrong, and now it's somewhere around 10,300 RPM, something like that. That's where they're able to achieve more top speed, and also the bike has become faster. 0 to 60 पहले था 3.6 seconds, now it's 2 something around that. मैं यहाँ पे लिख दूँगा. It become faster, it become more peppier, right? इसकी एक चीज़ बड़ी अजीब व गरीब है. That is this speedometer में ना, ये पहले भी था, अभी भी चेंज नहीं किया है. When you have to select the modes, so there is sports mode, road mode, rain mode, off-road mode. Off-road mode is also there. God damn, I'm going off-road, man, today. Why not? The problem is, first you have to first is road, and then is sports, and then rain, which I've never seen in my life in any motorcycle done like that. थोड़ा choppy है इसका power delivery for some reason. Now I'm feeling, maybe it's a new bike, that's why. पहली सर्विस हुई भी नहीं है, and we are pushing it already. This is a media bike, by the way. हाँ
Electronic lumber getting erased.
हाँ. I have no idea what he said, but I said, yes, oh my god, this is a sexy car. Oof. Clutch is light, have to say, clutch is light. Oh my god, ये क्या दिख गया मेरे को, सामने देखिए. The RS, याक. पहले तो बजाज की अच्छाइयाँ करो, फिर उसके बाद ये RS दिख गई, उल्टा हो गया. Dude, what is that tail light? थोड़ा चॉपी है एक्सेलरेशन इसका at low revs, but after that it's pretty nice. Oh my god, I'm not doing all that. NS 200Z. Okay, what else they have made changes? So it revs higher, it is faster in acceleration, top speed a bit. Price have increased by 8,000 rupees, which is not bad at all, I'll say, with what you're getting. And our man is gone. Oh my god. थोड़ा सा ओपन रोड मिला है. This, dude, 110, 12, smooth. From a single cylinder, I didn't expect this. Wow. Seat is comfortable. The way I'm holding the tank is comfortable. Yeah, I'm getting a good grab with my thighs. I like the sitting position on this. I'm sitting behind, holding the thighs. Only thing I'm scared of is the NS tank. The jewels destroying hump. अरे पर्ल भाईजान तो भाग गए छोड़ के. No, he'll be testing the hell out of it. He is like that. Let's go. What gear we are at? 4th. Ooh, revs, man, this bike. Let's go full 10,000 RPM. Oh my god. A bit vibey on the seat when I'm going a little faster. A little bit more faster. But other than that, normal buzz, man. Like a single cylinder, a smooth single cylinder. Impressed. Man, this is scary though. At this price, you're getting too much power, dude. ये bike गलत हाथों में नहीं जानी चाहिए. Where are we taking the turn? I have no idea. Let's keep going. Man, the bike goes fast, and the price is like, if you compare price per power ratio, which is the first time we'll be doing it because of this motorcycle, or price per torque, you're getting hell lot of power, man, for the price, which is kind of cool and kind of scary, right? Seeing the situation in India, कैसे लोगों को license मिलता है. Okay, what about the looks? The look is still growing on me. I'm not gonna say I love the looks. It's good. It gives that Spawn, the character Spawn wala look. He's one of my favorite characters from comics, Spawn. Do check him out. Story arc is also really good. 10,000 RPM is the red line. Impressive. But the bike feels a bit, thoda sa twitchy. Right now, will I recommend this to a newbie? Dude, this is too much power, dude. Now it's become too much power. I can't recommend to a newbie, man. I know the price is less. Oh god, but yeah, it's not as hooligan raw like Duke 390. But still, I will hesitate to recommend to a newbie. Someone who comes from Splendor, Apache 160 or something, I think should be fine, totally fine. But to a proper newbie, oh god, no. I don't think so. I can't do that. Brakes are nice. They're nice feedback. Rear is good. Rear तो भाई ज़्यादा use नहीं करता हूँ मैं, but it's nice stability I'm getting when I'm using the rear. Where is my friendo? Let's see, oh wow, pulls in third also. Third gear पे third, 10,000 RPM. Yeah, nice. थोड़ा सा ass गिनगिनाया, बस बिज़ाया, उसको छोड़ के nice. हाँ? No, I'm good. Okay, I'll follow you wherever. Now we have reached the airport. दुनिया भर के बाइकर आते हैं, दुनिया भर के नहीं, पूरे बैंगलोर के बाइकर यहीं पे आते हैं रात में। यही उनका स्पॉट है। चलते हैं मचा, लेट्स गो एयरपोर्ट, मचा एयरपोर्ट, मचा शेल पेट्रोल पंप, ड्रिंक रेड बुल, कम बैक, मचा। I'm being racist, am I? Wow, the weather is so nice actually today. Let's go. Lean करेंगे। Just kidding, boys. Bike now is not that stable when I'm taking a turn, like, or even when I'm hitting a hump and all. It's going a bit jiggly. गए हमारे पॉल भाई फिर से गायब। देखिए पापा तो आराम से चलाने वाला आदमी है, हाँ? प्यार से चलाते हैं। शकीरा चल रहा है आगे। Is the bike doing Shakira or are you doing the Shakira? Is the bike doing Shakira or are you doing Shakira?
It was stable, it steadies all the time.
Yeah.
But on the one certain point, it was like back is so light, so it
Exactly.
takes-
Even I am feeling little twitchy.
On the rear is too light actually.
What a nice location. Jump मारेंगे? I'm just kidding. Just stand up a bit and we are good to go. Oh, off-road mode. Which one do you like, by the way, color? That's the grey with neon accent. Really looks damn cool. And this is the white. I like the white. White has a good presence. Everything has been well built. I don't see any plastic panels rattling around yet. Happy MotoGP, let's go. Man, quick shifter is so addictive. बहुत लोग बोलता है कि क्यों मैं कभी भी क्विक शिफ्टर यूज़ नहीं करूँगा। मैं भी यही बोलता था। Dude, quick shifter sucks ass. It takes out the thrill, the fun out of motorcycling. Use a clutch. Don't be a pussy. Grow some balls. I still say it for off-roading, right? I'll still use a clutch any fucking day. I don't want all that jazz when I'm doing off-roading, quick shifter and all. But when it comes to street riding, oh god, quick shifter is so addictive. Vehicle info, ride mode. Yeah, there you go. Let me try road. Road mode activated. Oh, now we can't use quick shifter. I forgot. This is road mode. There's no quick shifter. God damn it. But the power in road mode is nice, dude. It's linear. It's less exciting and it's linear. Now this mode makes more sense for a beginner. I think if a beginner picks this up, na, the route they should go with, start with rain mode. Let me try rain mode. Okay, start with rain mode. I've seen the graph. It's much more, docile. तो सीखने में easy होगा. Then move to road mode, and finally, after a year or so, go to sports mode. Okay, I had to change. I had to blip it, which is also fun. You know what? I'm going back to sports mode because road is not fun for me. If you're new, start with rain or road, not off-road. Shit. Personally, I found the bike more fun in city than on a highway. Personal opinion. Light, nimble, good acceleration. Suspension is like built for city. क्योंकि मेरी आदत ख़राब हो चुकी है थोड़ी शायद. With a bit more stable motorcycles on highway. Damn, the white smoke he's throwing. Great service, dude. कब पटेगा इसका इंजन? What's wrong with this guy? Rider triangle is nice. My ankle is just below my hip, so it's nice, comfortable. Okay, there's a very twitchy downshift here, but works. Oh my god, don't kill me. Let me go ahead. अबे ये क्या था? Oh, what is happening? bike just switched off. Oh my god, pothole. Crater, not even a pothole. For the price, you're getting a lot, dude. For the price, you're getting a lot. I can't complain. It feels difficult to complain, man, at this price point. You know, this is kind of roads I like to ride. I'm done with highways, dude. I am always looking for these kind of B roads, village roads. Go from inside. So much more fun. Hallu wala speed, say, must, scenic roads. Sometimes bad patches, which is manageable. Down south, most of these roads are not that bad. These tires are Apollo
H1.
H1. Oh, I was saying MRF from that. I was saying MRF from that. Good man, at this price they're giving 150 section tire also.
This price point.
Huh?
And 8,000 rupees is increased.
Yeah, that's all. In white it looks bloody amazing. Side profile especially. Ceramic white. Skills. What the fuck? By the way, he's a professional stunt rider also. So no wonder it's all coming out. It's all recorded, dude. Oh shit, I have to hide your face now in my videos. No.
Bro, it is.
This is very loose. If I show this now, oh my god, what the fuck is that? What is a lady looking like that?
Because of that only she can.
What the fuck is that lady doing? It's so fucking scare a crow, fucking scare human beings. Who is? Oh my god. Oh shit, that's too good.